going on, guys? We are feeding our girls right here, and we gotta find them first. Oh, you're setting up the lights?
Yeah, it's dark in here.
Nice. Where are you at, butthole?
Cloaca, thank you.
Alright, well, I'll let you find her, and I'm gonna try to find this one. If you guys are wondering what we're feeding them these little pinky mice right here.
Where are you?
Oh, you found her?
There you are.
Yeah, she'll take to it pretty good. Yeah, you would like, she's gonna. And just wiggle it around, make sure she gets a hold of it. There you go, that's good. Hi, beautiful. Look at her. Hey, girl. You ready for some food? You ready for some food? Come on. There we go. She was ready. Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking, all that substrate and stuff, getting in her stomach and whatnot. We fed her, this is the third time we fed her, and the substrate falls off whenever she's not ingested any of it, so don't blow up the comments with all that. Same thing with this girl over here, who is
Very pissed off right now.
very pissed off. She eats angry. It's kind of ridiculous. But we're eventually going to work up to the live feeding. And I know you guys gonna blow us up about don't feed them in the cage and everything else like that, but that's why we got these tongs. So that they see the tongs, they know it's food time. Because I went in there and went to go handle them and stuff like that. And king snakes are normally defensive anyway, so they'll strike and everything, but they never bite. So.
And Callie's done.
Guys done? Alright, I'll go ahead and start putting her stuff back.
She's still pissed.
Oh, she's gonna be pissed. I don't know. Wow, you just... There's her water dish. Oh.
Behind. And there she goes. See, all that stuff is gathering on the sides of her mouth. It's not actually going in.
Here's some water. Sweet.
Well, we always wait for the tongue action. Oh, there it is.
Lights. Sweet. That works. And then, hang on. Don't get up. You stop getting in your water. What are you doing? Now you're gonna bite my hand. What are you doing? I gotta clean out your water. Oh, she's drinking.
Her face isn't in the water.
She got it around there. You can always tell snakes are drinking when you watch their mouth and their jaws kind of do this weird little motion. Yeah, she's just drinking.
I can't find her yet.
I'm zoomed in already. You can just put the camera down there, right?
Eh?
You can just put the camera down in there, right?
And then where?
Really? You can just hold the camera and just do it like that.
Oh, I guess I could.
Girl, I gotta change your water dish. Move. Let me change it. Let me change it. No! You're still hungry. Stop it. Okay. Now, if you guys feed your snake and then directly put your hand in there to touch them, like I had to move her, but you saw her, she just struck out like that. It's because she just got done eating and she's still hungry, so she's like, we might have to up her feeding. I'm not really 100% sure, but we probably will on this next batch of mice that we get, the little pinkies. So, because right now what we're doing is we're feeding them feeding them 2 times a week. Girl, I know, your water dish, stop being a dick. Right now we're feeding them once on Sunday and once on Wednesday, so we might actually, instead of feeding them 2 times a week, we might go up a little bit. Just kind of depends. And let me grab this over here.
Do you want to spray it down?
Yeah, let's spray it down a little bit. Get some humidity spray in here. Go. She seems to like her humidity about 60, 65. Callie really doesn't like that much humidity. Whenever the humidity gets up too much, she just, for some reason, just goes straight down and starts burrowing. But when it's about where it's at right now, she's a fan.